Hi, I'm Steve Rudolph, forester with the Colorado State Forest Service Woodland Park Field Office, with 60 seconds on how this synthetic slurry can help your seedlings survive. This is synthetic polymer. It's a powder-like or granular substance that can hold many times its weight in water. It can be used as a backfill if you're planting tubed or potted stock, or it can be used as a root dip if you're planting bare root stock. It's important to know that this isn't a substitute for watering, but it can be an effective supplement to keep that water available to your plant's roots for longer. It's important to mix this up in advance of using. You could mix it up the night before or at least 2 hours prior so you have an idea of what it's going to look like when it's properly hydrated. Don't use this without mixing it with water first, because you don't have the ability to eyeball how much you're going to need. A little bit goes a long way, and it can help hold some of that water in the soil longer. Check out the links below to other online resources and videos in our tree planting series.